Now we have a weighted average cost of capital question. So this one question incorporates almost the entire semester and boils down into a somewhat simple question, but it incorporates the entire semester. So it can be, it's dependent on doing a lot of prior calculations correct to get a correct answer for the weighted average cost of capital. So let's just read what we're given. So we have XYZ Corporation has a cost of equity of 9%, a cost of debt of 5%, a tax rate of 20%, and a cost of preferred stock of 5%. The firm's capital structure is 50% equity, 40% debt, and 10% preferred stock. What is the after-tax weighted average cost of capital for XYZ Corporation? So let's go ahead and write down everything we're given. And so we are given our cost of equity. So R sub E equals 9%, R sub D equals 5%, R sub P, which is our preferred stock, equals 5%, and our tax rate equals 20%. And then we're given our weights. So our weight of equity is 50%. Our weight of debt equals 40%. And our weight of preferred equals 10%. Now, our formula for weighted average cost of capital is simply this. So multiply these plus the cost of debt times the weight of debt plus cost of preferred stock times the weight of preferred stock, where the cost of our weighted cost of debt, we then multiply 1 minus our tax rate, so times 1 minus our tax rate, which is 20%, so this would be 0.8 times 0.8. Alright, so we can look in the formula in the book for the formula for the weighted average cost of capital, but this is how we solve it. And so we go to our calculator, and so we have 0.09 times 0.5, so that is 4.5%. Plus our cost of debt, which in this case is 0.05, and then we can take out our tax deductibility, so that means it's actually only times 0.8 times 0.8 times 0.4, so that is 1.6%, plus our weighted cost of preferred stock, which is 0.05 times 0.1, so that is 0.5%. And so we add all those up, so we have 0.05 plus 0.045 plus 0.016. Our weighted average cost of capital for this XYZ Corporation is 6.6%. So we'll go back to our writing it out. So this is it written out, and our formula I'll write down here. Weighted average cost of capital equals cost equity times weight of equity plus cost of debt times weight of debt times 1 minus tax rate plus weight of preferred times cost of preferred. So that is our weighted average cost of capital. So pretty much that one equation builds upon the entire semester. So in order to get that question right, you need to be able to calculate the cost of debt accurately, the cost of equity accurately, the cost of preferred stock, understand how to use the debt, how to calculate an annuity, how to calculate present value, and how to calculate dividend growth rate, and how to calculate CAPM. So that one question incorporates pretty much the entire semester.